All right, so this is a what?
A 1955 Buick.
That's a good year.
The guy that was, it's a Mercury Monterrey.
So it's a Mercury, not a Buick.
Yeah. Oh, did I say?
You said Buick.
I'm sorry. It's a
Yeah.
Mercury.
Mercury Monterrey.
And the whole body is here. But the guy that was rebuilding it found out the wheelbase to a Ford LTD or something was the exact wheelbase, and he already set the body on the LTD frame, and there's a 351M and transmission under there.
Okay.
You know, a common.
Yeah.
But it was the exact wheelbase, so he was building it to be a driver.
Okay.
But it's a complete car, but I don't have the title to it.
No title on that one.
Okay. Might be easier. Well, you can get them. You got your boots on. But
Yeah,
two are parts cars.
don't get in here and get no chiggers on you.
But
Okay, there's
this
another.
is a 1979 Formula. It has motor and transmission. But you see the T-tops, and I myself rebuilding that blue one you saw.
Right.
Some interior parts.
That's what you were taking them
The
from.
rear end is gone, but it's still a lot of parts.
A lot of
if you restore them.
Parts car. Okay.
And both of these Trans Ams, I have a title for this.
Title for the black one.
Sometimes people want the title,
Yep.
even though it's a junk car.
Yeah, because they may have one they're building.
Okay, both of these are Trans Ams, but they're parts cars.
Okay, two more
And
parts
even they
cars.
look like junk when you're building them, like a bit up radiator core support.
Watch out. What years are these?
They're all 1979.
79. Okay.
Okay. Now this one's probably the one worth money. But see those honeycomb wheels?
Yep.
I got plenty of them.
How many
It's
sets
missing
you
the
got?
front too. Oh, I got a bunch.
A bunch of those honeycomb
probably got-
wheels for the Trans Am.
Probably got 6 sets. The reason I said it is this car's got it on the rear but not the front. Let's see, there's one to finish it. I got lots of them. But even though this one's missing the motor and transmission, it was VIN code black T-top, so you can build this to be a
Smokey and the Bandit. Okay.
So this is what I'm telling you. You can build that car and that car, and this one will get about $5 grand more because it's factory black.
Gotcha.
The T-top, and remember at home, my home, I've got another hood,
Mm-hmm.
and in the shop, I've got that shaker scoop.
Okay.
So I've even
Got what you need for that car
if they want
to
partner
rebuild it.
with me, I've got the transmissions, I've got the drive shaft, I've got motors they can build in the shop. It
Okay.
depends on how much they want. But most people put modern LS's in them.
Gotcha.
Okay.
Anything else out here?
There's one more, but it's a parts car. We make the motor.